Hey friend, welcome to the bands tutorial. So first off, here's an incorrect band placement. So here's what not to do. Do not place it above your knees. As you see, I mistakenly did that and then got a couple steps in when I realized my silly mistake. From there, I kind of recalibrated. And here is the correct band placement. Right above your ankles on both sides, and then you are off to the races. First one, band walks side to side. Slightly bend your knees and push out with the foot that is going away from you. If you need any assistance, try putting your hand on your outer glute muscle to help the muscle focus on what you're doing. Continue nice and slow, nice and steady, and push out from the back heel that's going forward. Now here's a common error. I call it little teapotting it, because you look like a teapot. For instance, here's me as a teapot. It's me as a teapot. So very common. Most people don't do the hand motion involved, but I did that time. It often looks like this though, where they lift their knee up a little bit. Next, teaching point. Make sure your toes are pointed forward, because oftentimes people put their foot outwards. So both feet should be equal distance apart, facing the same direction, which is forward. Another common error is when your foot that's going outward turns outward. So remember, keep your feet front. Another error, going quickly. This is not a race, and as you saw me do it, does not help you that much to go quick. These are called monster walks. So you're going to be in the same position as the side band walks, but then you're going to bring your ankle close to your other ankle and then push it outward. And monster walk backward is the same thing, but going backwards. So you take a step 45 degrees back. Here is the front view of it. As you can see, you go forward and diagonal, forward and diagonal, forward and diagonal. Go slowly with these. I'm going a little bit too quick for this, mostly because the band is too strong for my hips. And you can also place your foot on the ground. You don't have to do what I'm doing by keeping your feet in the air. If you have any questions, please comment below, and I will see you next time.